Hi, I'm Brad Koopman, editor of Metal Forming Magazine. We are at Explore the Floor at FABTECH in Chicago. We're at the Komatsu booth with Jim Landowski. Jim's going to tell us a little bit about what Komatsu's got at the show this year. Jim?
Okay, thanks a lot, Brad. What we're doing at the expo this year is we've got our 200-ton two-point servo press on display. We're running coil line material as well as some automation equipment through the line this year. And basically what we're trying to demonstrate is how that the press system works with the coil system as a total system. The integration is very critical to stampers to make sure that everything works together as one common cell. Having a press that is accuracy in microns without integrating with the automation doesn't give you a lot of value to the bottom line. Controls now in the servo presses have become very sophisticated, and now that we can actually know exactly in digital information where we are in the stroke, in degrees as well as inches from bottom, we can control every parameter in the stroke. We can control dwell, speed, and even accuracy levels. Presses today in the servo presses can be as accurate as 10 micron repeatable accuracy, stroke after stroke. And automatically the systems adjust themselves to make sure they stay within that same programmed die height range. Graphic displays, we can actually see exactly what the motion is every stroke of the press, so it takes the guesswork out of setup and running the applications. And part of the quick die change system is making sure all the press parameters change with the part number that's programmed. For example, die heights need to change, your load monitor set points need to change for the next job, your rotary cam settings, your programmable cams need to change, all by the part number that you already programmed. All that is already built into the control as standard. Nothing you have to add. So the system's designed to grow already as you grow. The next generation of press control will have built in the ability to actually measure the thickness of the material and the hardness of the material coming into the press.
All right, we're here at the second Komatsu booth at FABTECH. I'm with Stephen St. Hilaire. Stephen's going to show us Komatsu's Twister plasma arc cutting machine. Stephen?
Thanks, Brad. So what we're exhibiting here is the Komatsu Twister Fine Plasma. This is a combination flame cutting system and plasma cutting torch, all one system. The only type of system in the United States. It can do plasma cutting once again and flame cutting, same torch with one head. Switch over time between plasma cutting and flame cutting, 30 seconds. This particular machine is a 6x12 bed size, and it will cut from 18 gauge steel to 2-inch. So what we're going to exhibit is a piece of 1.5-inch thick steel, cut speed roughly 10 or 12 inches a minute. All right, fire it up. We use a FANIC control. The process is fully automated for pierce time, preheat time, speed, and automatic ignition. So in flame cutting, oxy-fuel cutting, in this particular case, we're using fuel gas, which is methane, and which is natural gas and oxygen. Preheat time is about 1.5 minutes, and then it will sever through the material, begin its chemical reaction. Cutting sample is complete. It's very hot, of course. Bevel angle, 0 or 1/2 degree. Some other oxy-fuel processes produce a lot of excessive slag, need to be ground, and secondary process. This comes off the table clean. Square cutting.